Assalamualaikum. Hello dear learners. Today we are going to learn 30 opposite words. And for learning these opposite words, Sumaya will help me. Sumaya, are you ready for helping me today?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, thank you. So let's get started. So, now I will tell you the words and you have to tell me the opposite words. Okay, Sumaya?
Yes.
Okay, the first word is about.
Exactly.
About, exactly. Thank you. Afraid,
Brave.
brave. Alive,
Death.
death. Allow,
Forbid.
forbid. Artificial,
Natural.
natural. Ask,
Answer.
answer. Awful, okay. Awful,
Nice.
nice. Beginning,
Ending.
ending. Black,
White. White.
blunt,
Sharp.
blunt, sharp, right. Careless,
Careful.
careful. Bore,
Interest or amuse.
interest or amuse. Busy, busy.
Lazy.
Clear,
Cloudy.
cold,
Hot.
cool.
Warm.
Cowardly,
Bravely.
cry,
Laugh.
deep,
Shallow.
destroy,
Build.
die,
Alive.
different,
Same.
difficult.
Easy.
Downstairs,
Upstairs.
easy.
Difficult.
Enemy,
Friend.
fail.
Succeed.
For,
Against.
funny.
Serious.